This is an environmentally conscious manufacturer of corrugated packaging and displays. This facility is the home of one of the largest independent corrugated manufacturers in the world. Utilizing the latest robotic technology, this client processes over 8 million square feet of corrugated packaging and displays per day. The wastewater is generated from the washdown of the flexographic printing presses that use various inks in the manufacturing process. With this client, we have supplied the equipment as well as the separating agent. The system we have provided has many new features that allow us to provide this as a fully automated wastewater system. It has audio-visual alerts to assist in the ease and use of proper operation. The wastewater is collected and transferred to the cone bottom tank. It is then pumped to the EC2025 at the rate of 14 gallons per minute. This system has been designed to handle increased flow rates for future growth. As of this video, the system has processed 152,000 gallons of wastewater. As with many of our systems, it has an HMI, human-machine interface, to control the unit electronically. A flow meter has been installed to monitor the amount of water treated and hours of operation. The flow meter will also trigger an alert if the proper gallons per minute are not maintained. The EC2025 has 3 mix chambers and a transfer chamber. The 3 mix chambers have stainless steel mixed motors set at different speeds to offer the most economical flock development and to provide the appropriate dwell time before being sent to the transfer chamber. These motors are controlled electronically by the HMI and can be adjusted through the remote access if needed. It has a webcam feature that allows us to view the mixed chambers for flock formation, flock structure, color, and water clarity. It also has remote access that provide the ability to view alert conditions on the touchscreen display and make adjustments to the machine right from our office. These features allow us to provide remote service to clients anywhere in the country. The system has an upgraded large-capacity feed hopper. As with our other continuous flow units, it has sensors for low powder and powder hopper empty alerts. The treated effluent and sludge are deposited on the self-indexing dewatering table for filtering. Some of the new features include a sludge level sensing device located on the dewatering table. The device is set to a specific height to sense the thickness of the sludge that is being deposited on the filter cloth. Once the sludge hits the level probe, it advances the paper so that you have a consistent level of sludge. It advances to the roller at the end of the dewatering table. The roller presses the sludge to maximize dewatering before it is deposited in the cart. There is also a programmable color sensor on the self-indexing dewatering table that identifies colors. It is programmed within a certain color range. As the thickness of the filter cloth is depleted, the color changes. The sensor will recognize that the color has fallen outside of the preset range and will send an alert when the filter paper is running out. The sensor will shut down the system to allow the client to change the filter paper roll. Another new feature is a cart full laser sensor that will shut down the system and alert the client when the self-dumping cart is full. The client has 3 carts so they can switch to an empty cart and allow additional dewatering time before dumping. The goal is to provide the driest sludge possible for disposal. This sensor will also send an alert if the cart is missing. This will again shut down the system until the cart is in place and detected by the sensor. The system will also send an alert when it is not in automatic mode, so that the system can be restarted to begin treating after the alert condition has been addressed. Once an alert has been activated, an email is sent to any designated recipients up to 8 email addresses. The clean water is collected in the tank beneath the self-indexing dewatering table, where it is then pumped through the single bag housing for solids removal and 2 final polishing vessels to ensure all discharge parameters, as outlined by the local water authority, have been met prior to discharge. With this client, we have been able to achieve labor savings, fully automated system, a legal dischargeable effluent, and repeatability.